carrying on with base 16 subtraction now. Base 16 is hexadecimal system, right? So 16 symbols are there. And 16 symbols are there. So what are those? There's 0 to 9. Then A is 10, B is 11, 12 is C, D is 13, E is 14, F is 15. As I've mentioned in my previous lectures, that these have to be digits. So after exhausting up numerals, we go into alphabets. All right. So you cannot have a digit comprising of one or more digits. I mean, or rather, more than one digits. It has to be one digit. So that's why we go for A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. Now you may say, sir, why in that case are we not using some other symbols? Well, it would not be good for you or anyone else if you use some other symbol. Okay. Say for example 0 to 9 and then you go for some other Greek letter or whatever. It's not very easy to understand. So why don't you go for just the alphabets now? It's only 16 base. You have to go only up to say F. So that's it. Now let's see an example of this. So F minus F is 0. That's true. F minus F is 0. And you can very easily guess F minus F is F0. Just like 19 minus 9 is 10. Similarly, FF minus F is nothing but F0. Now we come to FE minus F. Now you see that becomes EF. How? How does this become EF? Let us see. Let us write it out like this. So you have FE minus F. Okay. So FE minus F. Now you see. So let us look at the number system again, or let's look at the digit index 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we're going to go back. Now we're going back from E and we're counting until F. So 1 you take off, come to D. Another one you take off, come to C. Another one you take off, come to B. Another one you take off, come to A. Then you take off another one, you come to 9. Then take off another one, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So you take E from E, that is 0. It is very, very simple. E from E, if you take off, it is 0. Everyone knows that. Now you take off another one. Because you're taking off F. So you now take off another one. So from 0, where you come? You come back to F. Simple, you come back to F. But since you're going backward, there will be a carry from the top to the bottom. Just like you do in case of say 18 minus 9 is 9. So how do you do that? 18 minus 9, 8 minus 9, so you get 18 minus 9, so that's 9. And or let's say you do 48 minus 9, so that's 18 minus 9 is 9. The one that you carried over to the next side, that comes back to below, and you just minus 1 from 4 and you get 39. 48 minus 9 so is 39, just like that. So because you've gone to the you've gone to the F on the previous set, you've gone to the F on the previous set, not the forward set, you've gone to the F on the previous set, there will be a carry below, not above. If it was an addition, you go to the other side, the carry would be here, but here the carry is down here, and so you minus 1 from F and you get E. Simple. So if you reach, then minus 1 comes to E. So you get EF. So FE minus F becomes EF. Okay. Now let us verify this. So FE in base 16, let's transfer that, let's convert that to your decimal. So we have 16 to the power of 0 multiplied by E plus 16 to the power of 1 multiplied by F, which is giving us 1 times 14 plus 16 times 15. Okay. Now you can check, that actually gives you 254. So sorry, there's a small typo here. This is actually not 254 in base 16. This is in base, so it's in base 10. Sorry, I beg your pardon. I do beg your pardon. So this is 254 in base 10. Now, once you come to F, what is F? F is 15 in base 10. So you subtract 254 minus 15 and you get 239. That is in base 10, you get 239. Come back. Let us just verify. Divide it by, as usual, we did it with pentadecimal, we'll do with hexadecimal also. So 239 divided by 16, 14, carry of 15. 16 goes not at all in 14, so that's 0, and the modulus leaves that with 14. So 15 and 14 in decimal. Convert it, F and E. As you know, 15 is F, 14 is E. So you go from here to here, from bottom to top, left to top, bottom to top, so EF16. So that's verified. EF, EF. So that's from decimal system, decimal arithmetic, we verified that our hexadecimal arithmetic of FE minus F does actually yield EF in hexadecimal.